Today, soybeans were lower. The big crop is coming. Yield numbers are expected to be higher than we expected, and so all that is back into play. That harvest action is just signaling that big yields are on the way. Plus, Brazil's planting, and it's well ahead of schedule right now. There is good weather down in South America. That's also going to add to the pressure on our markets. The U.S. dollar index is really high right now. Normally, it hasn't been affecting the markets. We have been watching it just kind of out of the side of our eye, but right now it's really high. It's just casting a shadow across all commodities across the board. Corn is weak. Overflow selling from the wheat pressed it a little bit lower, although it's still kind of in a channel right now. There is some decent exports that continue, but the harvest is on schedule, and that lends it to the downside market. And with that in mind, outside influences are what's kind of affecting the market right now. So we're watching. Corn was off a couple of cents today, and it's still, 360 is still the number for that Dees contract, and we're well above that at about 368 right now. That being said, there isn't much to get this market moving. We're hoping for something like later in the week, for tomorrow or possibly Friday. Now, wheat is the one that really broke down hard. The demand is just weaker and weaker, and it broke through the benchmark, that $5 benchmark for the Dees contract. It actually got down to $4.96. Interestingly enough, though, there was some bargain hunters stepping in to buy it, and it closed at $5.25, so just above that $5 mark. I'm not sure if that can hold, but we're going to watch that closely. The export demands were weaker, and I think that with that little recovery just lets you know that people are kind of watching this closely, but unless we get more exports or really get this market off the ground, I think that we can see all the deferred months start to sink as well. That's all from the floor at the CME Group. Here in Chicago, I'm Virginia McGathey.